Hello there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arita. If you're stopping here for the first time, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video, I want to teach you how to draw soap brows. So if you're ready, just keep watching this video. Okay, so what we are going to use in this video is we're going to use edge control for this video. I don't have soap, so I'm going to use edge control. This is actually hair wax. So let's gist. So why do you guys actually like soap brows? Because I want to know. So I'm just going to put that onto my brows. Just put that onto my eyebrow. Put a lot of say a lot of I'm just going to put that on my brows. Then I'll brush Chineke. Then I'll brush it up. Just brush everything up. Is it very laid? Basic, like this soap brow is basically like it's basically like edge, like, yeah, how do I put it, like you're playing with your edges, right? So I'm going to just brush everything up just to make sure everything is just up. I don't know why people like this soap brows, to be honest, because I don't understand it sometimes. I don't know why you guys like it. So I'm just going to fill in. I'm actually using a black pencil and not a brown pencil for this. I'm using a black pencil so that it will just come out the way I want it to, because a brown pencil might not really show. So I'm just, then do well to sharpen your pencil like really sharp, so that you could, so that it will just show well, Jerry, especially if you are darker in complexion. So I'm just following that line. Hell, some people don't actually need to like fill in their brows, right? Because they already have really thick brows. They just need to do everything and then just conceal it. But I have to like fill in mine because I have really scanty brows. I'm going to be using my LA Pro concealer. This is actually beautiful bronze. So I think my eyebrow has dried down a little. So after that step, what you're going to do is you're going to take a little from the concealer, because the concealer already has like a tip or like an applicator. Where's my face, Jimmy? Okay, so the concealer already has like an applicating like tip, right? So we're just going to use that to apply under the brows. I had to hold my breath for that one because I don't want to make mistake at the edge. You guys seen that pimple that is just in my face? So next I'm going to just blend everything. I'm going to just blend everything out with a brush. So I'm going to use this blending brush. Like the tip is very steep, so I'm going to use it to just blend everything out. So the secret to soap brows is actually to not blend, to not conceal the top of your brow. So that's how we are going to leave it, because that's the style of the brow. That's actually the style of the brow. So it looks natural, yes, but also it's standing, and then your hairs are just, you know, at tip like that. So then we're going to really blend the edge out, because we don't want it to look very harsh on our face. So yeah, so once we are done blending, I think we're done, because that is basically everything that has to do with like the soap brow. Yeah, so we are done. This is your soap brow, this is my natural brow, and this is your soap brow. So are you seeing how like the spikes are all standing and everything? Like it doesn't have that. I feel like the difference between soap brow and regular brow, like when you draw your regular eyebrow, is that you get to like conceal or like give the top parts like a shape, or just comb your hairs down. So but on your soap brow, you don't actually do that. You just let the spikes stand, and that's the beauty of it. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like, and always don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.